Hey, something just arrived from Amazon. Let's see what it is. Oops. So, this is the box. If I put it in wide angle, let's just open it. Take a scissor. Oops. Oh, this is the best part of opening a box. Let's see what we got. Some airbags. And here's the product. I'm too excited for it. It's pretty heavy. Oh, have you seen that? It's from Ohuhu. Okay, so here we have got the ohuhu markers. So these are the pastel set which ohuhu released a short time ago in their collection. And let's open and see how they look. I was really waiting for this set, and I ordered this like yesterday, and it arrived like today in just 24 hours. Okay, so here we go. We have got them. These are really beautiful and nice colors. And I choose the pastel set because I like the colors. These are not too bright, not too dark, and these are good ones. So basically what I'm going to do is I have these for my calligraphy, and this is what we have got for putting under the paper if we're using a thin paper so that it doesn't bleed through and ruin the other sheet underneath. So having this aside, we have got some, these are some swatch cards. We'll swatch the colors on these in the next video, so stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the new video. And these are really nice. I am so excited to use them. And this is a numbering pattern on their caps, and they have different numbers. This one has some YR240, something like that, and they have some initials. This is the first time I have bought some alcohol based markers, and yeah, these seem pretty nice. Oh, there's something else we have got in here. It is a booklet from ohuhu. Okay, so this indicates some like the type of markers they have in their collection. The one which I have got is the chisel tip and the brush tip on the other end. So these are the shades which we have got. These are 48 colors plus one colorless blender. There are some more specifications and things about who, what the company is, and what else, things like that. Okay, so for the colors, let's do something. And the shades are pretty cool. Oh, this is the colorless blender. Okay, so and let's try. So before trying, let's have a look on what they look like. So here it is like a shiny metallic writing over them which says company name and indicates which tip is on which side by the drawing of the tip, and that's really helpful to find out which tip we're going to use. So this is the chisel tip, hope you can see it nicely, and this side is a brush tip. This is a cool color. This is a nice green color, and let's put it back and draw out something. For drawing out something, let me grab the paper sheets. These are the A4 sheets I bought from Dollarama. These cost me $3, And by the way, the colors cost me like $44 after taxes, and that's a pretty nice number, like a good price. Ohuhu is not a very expensive brand, so that's why I chose it. And let's open the papers. So let's now draw something. So we'll use this plastic sheet to put it under the our drawing paper so that the ink doesn't ruin the other sheet underneath. Under that, I have chosen this viola shade, and I'm gonna write something with the calligraphy brush calligraphy and the chisel with the chisel tip as well. Let's try the fancy S, which we all drew as we were kids, but I think now I forgot how to do it. Let's see if I remember. I think it was 3 lines at the top, 3 at the bottom, and then 2 triangles at the top at the bottom. I actually don't remember. I did it a long time ago. Let's see. So going with the 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom, now joining them. Oh, what's next? I forgot. I really don't remember. I'm having a hard time remembering the next step. Let's just try something else. Maybe it will work out. So I'm joining these like this and hope these work out. Okay, it's a nice S, but it's not the same thing which we drew as kids, which is okay. I think I just discovered something new. Let's go with this and fill it with the brush nib, and I've chosen another color for this. Let's just fill and see how these colors look out on the paper. It has a nice flow. The flow is smooth, the colors are nice, bright, like how they should be as they are pastels. The next thing, I'm using the brush tip this time, and I'm gonna write YouTube with the fancy modern calligraphy. It is nice. The tip is good. It's fine, and it's not it's not rough. It's smooth. Let's now add some shadows with the gray. I have used this gray for the shadowing, and the cap fits. Oh, it doesn't fit on the back. Cool. I think it was. Okay, so now adding some shadows to make it more cool. And just for the shadows, add it to the right and right or left. For the right, you have to do it on the bottom. For the left, you have to do it on the top, because we have to show the light coming from one side. So depends on which side you're shadowing it. Whoa, this shadowing added a good view to it. It looks better now. Okay, so for me, it's like good for calligraphy. I have to practice a little bit for more to get a perfection. Thank you so much for watching. Just after making the video, I just tried something, so like this, and from this I can say that you can really make dark and light shades with these markers on with the same color. So I used the same color on top of this, and it gave a like darker tone when I overlapped it. Here I used the chisel tip to write high with the calligraphy style. I hope it looks good. And I used the fine line of the chisel tip by holding it to a certain angle. I wrote YouTube again with more precision more accuracy. And I made this, a beautiful rose. I used like 4 different shades of pink and peach and 3 greens. It turned out good. It was just a rough thing. If I gonna make something perfect, it would turn out really fantastic. So I think these are a good choice. I recommend ohuhu markers to the beginners. Even I'm going to be a beginner with these markers. I hope I will really go good with them. So this is a small part.